Are you thinking of buying your next Toyota from Snow's but concerned about the cost of servicing? Don't worry, we're here to help. Your Toyota will need to be serviced regularly to keep it running as safely and efficiently as possible. If you have a manufacturer warranty, then it will need to be serviced to keep the warranty valid. Even if your vehicle is out of warranty, it's still recommended to have the identified service completed when the car informs you. By keeping your car maintained, it can help to avoid breakdowns or potentially expensive repairs. Not forgetting, when your car is 3 years old, it will also be necessary to have an MOT test and its end-of-warranty inspection carried out. Regardless of how old your Toyota is, we have a service plan that will suit you. You can choose between a 2, 3 or 4-year plan, so you can tailor your plan exactly to your own requirements. The cost of your service plan, which is paid monthly, will vary depending on model and is fixed for its duration, interest-free. This means that you're protected against inflation and any price increases that may happen in the future. If you ever come to sell your Toyota, you have the option to keep the plan and transfer any unused balance to your new Toyota, so you don't need to worry about not utilizing the entirety of your pay monthly service plan. The Snow's service plan will help you to budget, so no more worrying about any upcoming or looming services. Simply book in and we will take care of the rest. We'll service your vehicle in our Toyota-approved workshops with our expertly trained technicians, and you'll be looked after by our service advisors who will take you through the complete process simply and efficiently. Interested? Speak to your local Snow's Toyota retailer today.